skin to be. Okay, so that's like the ultimate regeneration. They heal quite well, and then they never age. Okay, so these 5 vital functions, they're all linked to chronological aging. So when we say chronological aging, when we talk about aging, I'm sure like Nicole here, and me too, we're all young at heart, right?
Okay. Natakot ako where you were taking that. Yes, young at heart.
So what's your heart age, Nicole? How young do you feel?
I don't know about you, but I'm feeling 22.
Okay, so maybe I'll be like 5 years older. Okay, so 22, okay? So when you're young at heart, that's good. But when we talk about chronological aging, as in walang daya, it's literally aging by birth date. So I'm not gonna ask you what your birth year is, because you actually look 22. That looks accurate enough.
Walang kokontra. Feel free to post. Feel free to post that.
Okay, so 22, 25 na lang ako. Okay, so that's chronological aging, aging by birth date. Okay, so the 5 vital functions are linked to that. So for years, the potency of the formulation of the double serum is very much the science that's invested behind it. It's linked to chronological aging, or aging by birth date. So meaning, kung 45 ka na, 45 ka na. Kung 50 ka na, 50 ka na. Okay, but then, as Nicole mentioned, there's this new development in terms of skin aging, which scientists have been going into detail. They're diving into it because it's just not the chronological aging or the aging by birth date that also supports the 5 vital functions. And we call it epigenetics, or next slide. Okay, so epigenetics, sabi ni Nicole, may quiz daw later. Nutrition, protection, and something that is most aligned in keeping our skin young is the superpower of our favorite Marvel heroes, Deadpool and Wolverine. Okay, their superpower is indeed regeneration. Okay, so